Good morning, children. Today I am explain the second standard EVS social lesson number 12, My Family. Understood? What is the name of the lesson? My Family. Do you know what is family? So to me, my family is really means everything in the world. Family is made up of parents, children's. Understood? What is family? What is family? Family is a group of people who live together. Understood? With love and care for one another. Some families have many members and some have few members. There are two kinds of family, small family, big family. So, do you know, understand what is family? Family is a group of people who live together with love and care for one another. Some families have many members and some families are few members. There are two kinds of families. Some families are small and some families are big. So the family is the parents and sisters live together is called nuclear family. There are 4 members, father, mother and children. There are 4 members in a family and they are called small family. Understood? So in this picture, look at the picture. There are in first picture, family 1, there are 6 members are there. In family 2, 3 members. In family 3, there are so many members, no? Like this in family 5, there are 4 members. So like this, there are different members in the family. So there are, according to their members, the family is divided into 3 groups: small family, big family and joint family. What is do you know what is the large? The family is the most refined all the human relationship: mother, sister, brother, father. A large family is a group of grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, uncle, aunt, brother, sister and cousins. So they make a family. So next you learn about the one by one. Small family. What is small family? What is small family? A small family generally has 1 or 2 children and their parents. They can live in a small house. Its members can get more comfort for themselves, like food, clothes and education, etc. A small family can live very happily, and children in a small family can get better education. A small family is also called nuclear family. A family is not an important thing, it is everything. Understood? So ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ? ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಟುಂಬ. ವಿ ಲೀವ್ ಇನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ಎ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪಿನ ಜನರು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೇರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಲವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೇರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕೆಲವು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಕಡಿಮೆ ಜನ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಬರೀ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸು, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮೋರ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ? ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1 ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, 2 or 3 ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಬಟ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾದರು, ಮದರು, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅವರ ಅಜ್ಜ, ಅಜ್ಜಿ, ಅಂಕಲು, ಆಂಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯನ್ನು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. So small family can live with very happily. Children in small family can better education. A small family is also called nuclear family. Understood? So nuclear family. Second family is called nuclear family. So big family. The first picture is big family. Big family means is made up of parents and more than 2 children. More than 2 children. It needs a much longer house to live. Members of big family face many difficulties. Big family is not as happy as a small family. Its numbers get few comforts for themselves. The children in it cannot get a good education is those in small family. ಅಂಡ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಲಿ ಅಪ್ಪ, ಅಮ್ಮ, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇಬ್ಬರೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ 2ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಬಿಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮನೆ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ವೆನ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಎ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮನೆ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಬಿಗ್ ಹೌಸ್, ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಮೆನಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇನು ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯೂ ಕಂಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಸವಲತ್ತುಗಳು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಇದ್ದ ಹಂಗೂ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ದ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ದೋಸ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಥರ ಬಿಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ದುಡಿತಾರಲ್ವ ಅಪ್ಪ ಮಾತ್ರ, ಅದ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಫರ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಸೌಕರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಬಿಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಈಸ್ ಎ not better than small family. Understood? Small family. So next, joint family. Third picture is joint family. Joint family is made up of grandparents, parents, uncle, aunts and their children. So joint family is a kind of big family. It is also one of the big family. The system gives more importance to the relationship. In joint family, systems gives more importance to relationship. Everyone in the family does some work. Grandfather brings theirs from the market, grandmother help in the kitchen. So, and also the grandparents tell the stories to the children learn more good things from them and they respect their grandparents. The love of the family is life greatest blessings ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯನ್ನು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ, ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸು, ಅಂಕಲ್ಲು, ಆಂಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ, ಒಂದೇ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಅಡುಗೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜೀವನವನ್ನು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎವರಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಡಸ್, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರೂ ಸಹ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾದರು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮದರ್ ಕಿಚನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋವಂಥದ್ದು ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಪಾಠವನ್ನು, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ನೀತಿ ಕತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಅವರಿಗೆ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ important family in ancient, but in today it is a not like in ancient period, but ಹಳೆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಈಗಲೂ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯನ್ನೇ ನೋಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೇರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಲವ್ ದೇರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದೇ ಟೀಚ್ ದೆಮ್, ದೇ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸಿಕ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೊಬ್ಬರ ನಡುವೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅನ್ಯೋನ್ಯತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದೇ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ದೆಮ್ ವೆನ್ ದೇ ವರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾದರೆ, ಅದು ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೊಬ್ಬರು ಸಹಾಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇ ಪ್ಲೇ ವಿತ್ ದೆಮ್, ದೇ ಟೇಕ್ ದೆಮ್ ಔಟ್. ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಲವ್ ದೇರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಒಬೇ ದೇರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಬೇ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಲವ್ ದೇರ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್. They should keep the house clean, they should water the plants, they should keep their books and bags in proper order, they should help their younger brother and sister. So in this way the parents care family nalli irutte. So in my family lesson alli we learn all these things. ಆಂಟೀಸು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಂಕಲ್ಲು, ಬ್ರದರು, ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯ ಗುಡ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್. Everyone has role in a growing up kids. Extended family has many roles. They can help look after the kids, teach about the history, culture and family, help out work and money, and there is a mom dad also help each other. Understood? So fathers ಅನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ, ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್. ಫಾದರ್ಸ್ ಮದರ್ನ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮದರ್, ಫಾದರ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ನ ಅಂಕಲ್, ಫಾದರ್ಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ನ ಆಂಟ್, children's of uncle cousin, wife of uncle aunt, children's of aunt cousin, husbands of aunt uncle. Understood? Mother's father is also called as maternal grandfather, mother's motherನ maternal grandmother ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಮದರ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ನ maternal uncle, aunt, cousin, ಈ ರೀತಿ. ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್. ಎ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ದೇ ಲವ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. Members of family have certain duties and rights. Parents give all the things which their children need. Children should obey and respect the parents. A big family has 3 or more children. Big family is not as happy as small family. A family that has only parents that are 2 children is called small or nuclear family. A family that has parents, children's, grandparents, uncle, aunts and cousins is called joint family. Understood? So these we learn in this lesson. What do you learn in this lesson? And I think all of you understand how many types of families. There are 3 types of families: small family, big family and joint family. Small family has mother, father and elder brothers in the family. In some families the family has many members, father, mother and more than 2 children. Joint family, it is a large family. Grandparents, uncles, aunt and cousins live together in the same house, is called joint family. So father, mother, children make a family. I think all these who are called as parents, mother and father are parents. So some families are small, some families are many members. Joint family is a big family. Some share the common is called surname. They also a name is shared in a common in every family is called surname. In this way we learn all things in family. Give how to look after the, how to give the respect for the parents, grandparents. Understood? And also how to look after the children's, how to care the children's, how the parents help the children's, how did the children's help the family. So these are all the important things we learn in family. So in this lesson we talk about how did the parents look after their children. Understand? I think all of you understand about the family. So in family the members also, family is least members is called small family. Family with many members is called large family. Understood? Members of the family help with the playing, studying and doing work. All need family members. There are in this lesson they are give the examples of some families. There are some pictures. You look at the picture, children's. How did the mother, father, grandfather help the children's? So here a Vimala's family. Vimala's family, we observe the Vimala's family. And the mother is combing the child. The father help the children. The grandfather tell the story. The grandmother help to read the book. So their brother and sisters are going to the school, no? So need family. It is the very important. And also then family members are helping each other. So in next class I will continue the lesson. Understood till now? Thank you. Goodbye.